Assalamu alaikum guys, once again I'm back with another quick tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to reset any Microsoft application in a simple way. Simply you need to click on the Windows icon, then just type here the apps and features. You can simply go over there or simply click here on the settings menu. Just find here the apps and applications. Apps are here, just click on it. Now all the apps related the application related options are here available. Now here you need to reset the application. For that, simply you need to type here any Microsoft application, not the other softwares. Okay, now this is not related to the Microsoft, so you can't reset this application. Only you can uninstall this application and then reinstall it. That's the way you can reset this application. Otherwise there are no options. Like the Audacity is not a Microsoft application. Only you can see here the camera is Microsoft based. The advanced options available for this. Cortana have options, advanced options, like others. Microsoft stores applications, all Microsoft stores applications have advanced options where you can just simply reset it easily. Now Microsoft Edge have modification option. You can see here, just go over there, and after updating this application you will get the advanced option. Might be you will get or might be not. I'm not pretty sure about this, but I think so. Anyways, now the main thing is reset. Now you can see here the Microsoft Store application also have advanced options. Simply you need to click on the advanced option. Any Microsoft application, just go into the advanced options. Now here you can see terminate. Terminate means you just close the application immediately. Now after that you can see here reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The application data won't be affected, so that's mean if you have login your account on Microsoft Store, so don't worry about that. It will not delete your account or reset it. Like you don't need to re-log in your account, etc. Now if this app is still not working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. So these options for reset, the complete hard factory reset, you can call it factory reset. This will actually delete your whole data, like your account, the application recently there you have downloaded or etc. So that's work like this. Now sometimes some applications have this feature and some have not. Like the Microsoft Store is the basic application of Windows 10 and 11, so you cannot uninstall it. But some applications actually have, like I have this application from Microsoft Store, this Spotify. Let's search it here, Spotify, SPO, and you can see here this applications also have advanced options. Now you can also reset it, terminate and repair it. And also you can see here the uninstall this app and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. So your document will not be affected means if you have downloaded some audio files from Spotify, like if you have paid account, then you can definitely download audio from Spotify. So if you have downloaded some audios, don't worry about that files. These files will not be affected if you uninstall this application. I hope guys you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just comment below, so I will try to solve it for you. Have a good day. Bye bye.